For that, what I'll do is I will go here and I will go into my rolling ticker. So in my rolling ticker, okay, in my rolling ticker, I have got lots of options, but I will be selecting CPR. Okay, I'll be selecting CPR, and when I select CPR, I am having the stocks that are moving. Okay, I can see here these are the stocks that are moving, and you can see here that it is showing me ITC CPR level 1 breakout. So I can see here that this is ITC CPR level 1 breakout. So what I'll do is I'll click on ITC. Okay, and once I click on ITC, I will be able to see here that ITC, okay, it's also in a strong buy mode. So it is further confirming my intent. And then when I take a look at ITC, I can see here that ITC is seen moving. All right. So ITC is seen moving. And now if I out here, if I turn on, okay, let me just turn on my pivot. So I will get an idea, right? So I will get an idea of how the setup is done. Okay. So, so this is the setup, right? This is the setup I have seen here from my rolling ticker. I've seen here from my rolling ticker that yes, there is a movement in ITC, and the moment I get a setup, I go to the chart and then I know that yes, this is a time for me to take the trade. All right. So that's how I go see the rolling ticker, understand if there is a possibility of a buy, and then I go into the setup if I want to additional confirmation, and then I plan my trade. So that's how easily you can do with this level 1. So if you want directly under CPR, you got level 1 as well as the modes. So we will check out. So you can just type here level 1. So when you type level 1, you will only keep getting the level 1 filtration. So in the rolling ticker, you can just type here level 1 and you will get all the level 1 trades filtered out here. So you don't have to worry, all the level 1 trades will be filtered here. So this is one part of the intraday trades using CPR. So now let's see the other part of intraday trades. And for that, we will be going into the camera section.